Yo, what up guys, this is TM and today I bring you a sound test with the SL300. Today I bring you a sound test between the SL300 and the Canon Legria HFR38 built-in microphone. And the sound that you are listening right now is from the SL300, and as you can see it has rich tones and a pure sound. But still, let's go throughout the series of tests that I've done. And don't forget, these are the raw sounds of both microphones. So let's get to it. The SL300 features a dual 34mm internal shock-mounted diaphragms and multifunction switches, giving you unparalleled recording ability. The SL300 features a dual 34mm internal shock-mounted diaphragms and multifunction switches, giving you unparalleled recording ability. The switch on the left of the microphone is a low-cut switch, which cuts off any frequency below 200 Hz. Whilst the switch on the right allows users to record at -10 decibels. This makes the microphone perfect for vocals and instrument recording. The switch on the left of the microphone is a low-cut switch, which cuts off any frequency below 200 Hz. Whilst the switch on the right allows users to record at -10 decibels. This makes the microphone perfect for vocals and instrument recording. This microphone has been designed to record both vocals and instrumentals, meaning you'll have every bass covered. This microphone has been designed to record both vocals and instrumentals, meaning you'll have every bass covered. After the series of tests, you can see that they talk for themselves, I think, because well, you can see that the SL300, well, with its 34mm diaphragm, captures a great sound quality. It's a pure sound that is just really clear and no background noise, which is great, and it captures all the sounds just like they are in the real life. And that's pretty much all we want in a microphone. So that's why I think the Editor's Keys SL300 is a perfect microphone for every voice recordings, voiceovers, instrumentals. Well, this is actually a very good microphone. Well, the comparison was made with a built-in mic that I've been recording my last videos, and now I'm going to change it to this one, and you will see that the difference is huge, just like you have seen in the tests in this video. So well, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, because well, this is an unboxing channel, Android channel, well, pretty much a channel that gives you everything. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is TM, and I'm out.